Hello everyone, it's Sarah Jo from The Little Pink, and today I'm bringing you another fall DIY. In this fall DIY, I'm going to show you how you can take two Dollar Tree pumpkin signs and transform them into a beautiful fall decorative piece for your home. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started in this craft. The first thing you're going to need is some vinyl paper. I purchased mine from the Dollar Tree. If you have some at home, or you can go to any other craft store and purchase any, and that will work. Alright, this is the Dollar Tree sign that you're going to use. I got two of them. You're going to need both for this craft. So go ahead and take out your vinyl, just unroll it, and you're going to put one of your pumpkins on top of it, if I can get it open. Okay, and so the only thing you're going to do right now is just trace. You're going to make an outline of the pumpkin. And don't use a permanent marker or anything that will seep through the other side, because it will come through. So just get like a pen and just start tracing around it. You're going to trace both pumpkin signs and cut them both out. Make sure your cuts are neat and precise. And then you're going to stick the paper on the back of the pumpkin sign. When you're done laying your vinyl on, it should look like this. Neat and precise. And our next step is to cover up the top of the pumpkin. And for this, we're going to use some twine. Feel free to make this your baby right now and use anything that you would like to cover up the top of your pumpkin. Me personally, I like the look of twine, or jute twine as it's called, so I'm going to use that to wrap it around the top of my pumpkin. I like it because it gives a neat look and it's very easy to work with. All it requires is just some patience and time, because you can't rush wrapping the twine. If you do rush it, it's not going to look neat anymore. So you just have to take your time, and don't forget to apply your glue. That glue is going to keep it in place once you wrap it around the top of your pumpkin. After you're done wrapping the top part of your pumpkin around with the twine, you're going to just add some embellishments. I chose these leaves from the Hobby Lobby. Got them for like $3. In the pack it was the brown leaves and some blue leaves, and I added the brown ones. For this part, everyone, you're going to attach your quote on your new pumpkin sign. I made a quote using my Cricut. The vinyl that I used was also from the Dollar Tree in the color rose gold. Feel free to use whatever color you want. I chose this color to match my fall decor. If you don't have a Cricut, don't fret. Just purchase some pre-cut words and quotes from any of the craft stores, Walmart, Dollar Tree, even Dollar General have some. Here is the finished product, everyone. I am all done with my new and improved Dollar Tree pumpkin sign. The part you didn't see was I attached both pumpkins to an old stake that I had lying around, and I just glued it with the hot glue gun. And here are the results. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, you all be safe and blessed.